Hey, I'm Sarah. I'm here at the National Outdoor Expo with Venture by Piranha. Today we've got loads of people out on water, just smiling faces everywhere, enjoying the canoes and kayaks and one another's company. Loads of people saying how relaxing it is and how much they want to do it again in the future.
Really fun, and I liked being in the water even though it was really cold.
Yeah, really enjoyed it. It was really relaxing, actually.
Amazing, love it, I can't wait to do it again.
It was a fun experience doing something on the water instead of on ground, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you to Venture Kayaks.